to my YouTube channel. And today we are be talking about doing crypto again. We are doing crypto again. Spade on space, everyone. Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. I just finished my live stream on my Spanish channel. So now I'm doing another YouTube channel. I'm doing another live stream on X and on my English YouTube channel. So I'm a bit diversified guy. I'm a bit, you know, speak English, Spanish, Dutch, Portuguese, and you can name it, right? So that means that we are going to be doing today live. I'm going to be trading. As you guys can see, I already did a couple of trades on base, and I will be moving from chain to chain. I'm going to show you guys how is the best play to be. What are the best play right now based on analytics, based on volume, based on numbers, so you guys cannot be fooled by people telling you stuff that they don't know about or they didn't do research from. So today we are going to be talking about AI on base and also on different chains. So let's take a look. And also we are expecting a small dump on Bitcoin also. So that means that today we're going to be talking about a lot of stuff. We are going to go through a lot of things that I'm going to be talking about, and you guys can enjoy this live stream. In the background, I have a lo-fi song, a lo-fi music that I enjoy doing this. So if you guys don't see me on the screen, don't panic. I'm just going to remove myself because this is not about me. It's about crypto, and it's about what you guys can learn in this video today. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Link are in the description, or you can just go to my main page on X, and then you can hit on the bio and you can find all the links you need. Otherwise, you can just go to my YouTube channel, Crypto Profeta Alpha, and you can find me on YouTube channel. And also you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, also to my Substacks, where I write a lot of articles about crypto and about strategies in crypto. So with that said, sorry for my English. Yeah, sorry for my English. I'm actually native but not native at the same time. So that means that I normally speak English, but it was a long time ago that I've not been speaking English, so I have to recapture back again my English. So that means that normally I used to speak English a while ago, but now I live in Holland. So that means I have, learn a different language, and I have like 5 language in my head. So I have to translate every words in my head so I can understand what I'm saying. So also, if a word comes out of my mouth and you guys don't understand what I'm saying, just hit me in a comment and I will try to do my best to explain it to you, or do my best to do what I need to do to make it better. Okay. So once again, it's not my native language. My native language is Papiamento and Spanish. And yeah, okay. So those are the 2 main languages that I saw. I have a coffee today. And let's get into it, guys. I went into this trade today very early, very beginning, and also I made a video about a couple of trades that I did a couple of weeks ago, where I did approximately about 440 X's on just one token. And we are trying to do the same thing over and over again. And we have been seeing this movement on base about AI, and AI have been doing very well on base and of course on Solana. So those 2 chains are the most highly recommended chain to be on at this moment. Um, and also, one thing I wanted to say is that a lot of you guys are seeing, for example, a lot of tweet out there about people writing stuff and telling about what they have been doing. So, for example, I entered this trade today very early. Why? Because I saw it on the virtual hack. So let me go and show it to you guys. This is a website. This is a hack terminal, and it's very it explains a lot of what they are going to do and what they're doing. So for example, they have the website, the Twitter account, and this is what I have been talking about for a long time already about um AI on base. There is a lot of stuff that I can talk about. There is a lot of stuff that I can go through. Why? Because I have been going very deep into what the AI are on base, and also how they are managing to switch and do a lot of stuff that we normally do, like for example on Uniswap and stuff like that. So a lot of things has been changing in crypto, on base and on different chains, but on base the most. Why? Because they have a very big development team, and the development team are also always they're always challenging each other to create and build on the chain. So that's one of the main reason why not only I'm bullish on base chain, but also bullish on the entire crypto, seeing the development going forward into what we are seeing right now as the technology advance in a different pace and very big. So one of the main thing I want you guys to understand is that um, crypto has been changing a lot. The technology in itself has been changing dramatically. So it means that a lot of us as entrepreneur, a lot of us as trader, understand and have the vision of seeing what we are seeing normally happening in crypto. And for example, on base and on different chain, we have been seeing this narrative of AI taking over and switch the whole paradigm of how we see crypto, right? Why? Because we want to onboard that billion people into crypto. We want to onboard, we want to bring people into crypto so they can understand, right? Like our other our parents did back in the 80s and the 90s when they start buying stocks and stuff like that. Now it's our time to revolutionize crypto in the industry we are right now, and we are very early yet in a lot of these technologies that we are seeing evolving through all these years. So that means that right now we are seeing that a lot of technology that we are seeing right now are doing very well. And that's one of the main thing that I really, really suggest to a lot of people that are not in crypto right now. Just come ahead, test around, walk around, just do what you need to do to start understanding how crypto work, and also how you can manage to make money with it, because it's going to be an explosion of money making in this industry. It's going to be a financial wealth for a lot of people that are early to this technology. And for me, example, I am in it since 2013, 2014, way earlier, because I saw it before 2009. So for me, I have this advantage right now to understand how it works, seeing where they're going to, and also take. It sounds funny if I say take advantage of it, but is the reality, right? So what I'm trying to do is I'm taking advantage of it, because those who are early to projects, those who are early to technology like this, always has the advantage of moving forward and seeing things differently, right? So maybe you are watching this video right now and you're thinking yourself, why should I try it? Why should I do it? So my suggestion and my motivation to you is, you are never old to learn something new. You will always have to open your mind, open your side eyes to understand what you're doing, and also what you're interacting with and how you're doing. So incentivize everyone to just come in, understand it, and work on it, and do what you need to do to understand it, because it's a very big opportunity for a lot of us that are getting early into a lot of these technology and these projects, right? So I'm suggesting you guys just come in, try it out. If you don't understand, you always have people online, and also we have the one of the biggest revolutionized technology around right now, AI, that can help you understand crypto from a different perspective, by asking questions to the AI. So they will give you a lot of information you need. So let's get into it today, because today I just want to go over how I'm seeing the market, and also how can we capitalize on what we're seeing right now. So thank you guys for watching. So keep ahead, go ahead, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me know what you like of this video, and we'll keep on going on doing research on a lot of these AI stuff that we have been seeing around, right? So I'm actually I'm very happy and privileged to be um in this technology, right? Because it gives me a lot of advantage of doing what I really wanted to do from the beginning of technology, because I have a technology background. So for me, it's very easy to say this. So guys, um, AI on base, AI on different chains are taking over, and I just wanted to share my idea and to share my way of seeing stuff within in this industry, right? So I know that a lot of people have their own opinion. I know that a lot of people have their own way of seeing stuff, but for me, I have to be honest. I see things from a different perspective, and that give me the ability to understand the market, to understand how the behavior of a lot of investors and traders are right now in this moment of time that we are in right now. I'm very active in crypto. I also do a lot of stuff. So, for example, if we go to this website right here, this is a virtual website agent that's for example right now is they launch a lot of token. You can launch a lot of token. A lot of these tokens also are launched by themselves, or people ask the bot to launch some tokens, like we have been seeing right here on token on diverse website. Like, let's go to how I found out. I found this. Um, we can go to here you go. So this is the website where I found the token. Let's go to the go here back. So this is the website for all AI that I've been seeing, right? So one thing that I noticed based on the AI and based on a lot of stuff that I've been seeing around, um, I'm trying to what I'm trying to do is trying to understand the metric, trying to understand the behavior of these AIs, trying to understand how they behave when people interact with it. So for me, for example, right now, I have to say I'm in a lot of these AI. Okay, I'm a lot of these AI. I'm well over almost everything, and maybe you ask yourself, how am I able to go around it? Yes, I am able to go around it because I understand the main metric and how it works, and how they are taking control and taking over the whole industry. Okay, so the main thing about AIs are that they are being created by people that just have to tell them, for example, tell the AI, I want you to create a token based on this amount of supply and etc etc etc, and right away they will create a token. You can just ask it also on X to create that AI that you guys are seeing right now. So, for example, this AI, I just found it today because I was doing research on tokens and um, crypto that are coming out, and I stumble onto it, and I start asking myself the main reason of it, right? So, right away from the bat, they always tell us the main reason of it. Okay, so one of the main reasons we are seeing right now is an hack terminal, and they have the explanation on the website. Here we have it. They have also a Git book, and so this is an example of what the this terminal does, what this AI does. So it's a hack terminal manifesto. They will give you a whole brief information of it. And how can I go on and trying to make trying to understand this from a different perspective, right? Right, we have, like, for example, the GitHub, we have the Git book where you can read it and then go all the way through it. And in this case, you guys can see the welcome. Guys have, for example, you have here Hack Terminal is the first of its kind white hat AI agent built to make crypto echo safer. Sorry. Hack goal is to uncover critical bugs and secure protocols. Half of funds and redistribution, gain bounties from white hat operation into community fair, fairly. Okay, whether you're a developer, a hacker, token holder, or degen looking into contribute to you use hack technology, this is your ultimate guide. So they will give you a guide of understanding how it works, understanding the behind the sense of hacking terminal, and then you have the hacking tokens, and also you have the roadmap. So for me, what's very interesting is the roadmap. We already have one of the main roadmap right here. And listen, guys, I'm not promoting this token. It's just I found it very interesting how I found this token, and from here on, I'm going to make you guys understand how I seen and how we can keep on going with this. So right, so they have the launch, the phases, and everything. The reward, real staking a smart contract at allow to bounties to earn distribution to token holders. We have expand capability timeline, 3 to 6 months, collaboration, bug discovery, and they have a whole um, evaluation of DAO and governance and whatever. They have a lot of stuff here, right here, explaining us how the roadmap is going to be. Very very interest very interesting. So they have the token is 1 billion supply. The token contract, 10% of the supply has been secured by the team and at launch. Of course, you saw it right here. 5% is locked for 6 months, and the other 5% is locked for 12 months. And utility bounty distribution, holder receive a share of every security bounty. So if you are a holder, you receive a share of the secured bounties based on how the vulnerability was discovered. Self discovered vulnerability, 80% hack go to hack holders, 15% to devs, 5% stay to the hack terminal. So user assistance assisted discovered. So if a user is discover it, so it'll be 50% of the assisting users, 45% to hack holders, and 5% to the devs. So hack terminal is trying to negotiate fair bounties after security found at risk. So this is also good because this is a PvP. I have been talking about PvP. We have PvP, player pump player, and also we have PvP, player versus player. So tokens that you really want to be in, and also trying to understand the public, trying to understand how the project works, is to be in crypto like PvP, player pump player. It will help the community grow and also help a lot of these people, a lot of these tokens get ahead of what we're seeing, right? So this is very important. It's very important to see what we are seeing, and that's is how it works, and also how they are trying to involve all the community members to be part of a project that can really give us the opportunity. So with that said, this is a very very great project that I saw today, and I took advantage of taking opportunity to invest in it just because of the way. So now we are doing approximately about um from my buy, from my entry, it's not so much, but at least I'm able and I'm willing to hold much more than this. So yeah, so right now we are heading to I think we were able to do a 10 million market cap at this moment. So right, so yeah, at this moment, yes, what I'm seeing is we could see, a very big investment into this project. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to normally I don't buy that high, but on 5 minute it's still very very good. So for example, but here I'm seeing that there's a lot of movement right now, a lot of people selling and stuff like that. So what I want to do is I want to secure another bag right now, secure another bag for the future, because it can explode, right? It can explode. um, and of course, 10 million market cap is very easy to achieve for a project like this, and like I'm saying, it's 4 hour, guys. So it's 4 hours, not nothing compared to what we're seeing right now. 4 hours is very very close to what I'm seeing right now. So, but let's go into finding tokens like this. Let's go into understanding how we can find token like this, and also trying to go ahead and trying to understand how it works. Okay, so the most important thing is understand how we can find project like this and capitalize on projects like this. Okay, so one of the main thing you guys need to understand is the flow of money. Flow of money in crypto is very crucial and very important, because you guys need to understand where the money is there, where the money is where the people is, there is the money. So where you are seeing where the money flow, that's where the money is at this moment. So you guys are seeing, I'm ahead right now at token Artemis terminal. So Artemis is a website that you can see a lot of information about data about projects that are really compelling, and projects that are out there, so altcoins and all kind of stuff. You can see it on token terminal. And right now, at this moment, Artemis Terminal will help you identify where the money is flowing to. So you have to follow the flow of money, right? So if we go to 7 days, even though we go to one day for it, we will still see that base at this moment. The money is going from Ethereum to base. This is very important because we need to understand why. Why is the money flowing from Ethereum to base, and also why is the money flowing from Bitcoin to AVAX. So these are things that we need to check. We need to see from a different perspective, right? So where the money is going, that's the place that we need to be, right? So if we go, for example, to check right now at this moment, we are seeing, for example, in one day, we are seeing that Solana at this moment, Solana. If you want to make money fast, I suggest you to be on Solana. Why? Because the liquidity on Solana is very thin and is very fast to make money on Solana. You want to make money slowly, but sure, you have to be on Base or Ethereum. So that's one of the places you want to be if you want to trade crypto. You want to be in places where you can see the flow of money going into. Oh, so what you need to do is can you say I'm only getting notification from your non-English post? Should I subscribe to another channel? Yeah, you can subscribe to the English channel, the English channel that I'm posting from right now. Subscribe, hit the notification, and change the notification, because if you don't add the notification, the all notification, you only receive a couple of notifications. So add the whole notification to it so you guys can receive the notification of my YouTube channel. So yes, like I'm saying, guys, understanding the flow of money make you will help you make money, and also help you understand how people behave within a crypto. Okay, this is very important. Why is very important? Why? Because a lot of people need to understand that a lot of sentiment and a lot of people behave a certain way, right? Of course, you have different blockchains, you have different communities, you have different people. So all of these people are based on different segment of a lot of projects. So what you always need to do is trying to find that middle section of trying to, when you are going to do something, trying to diversify your portfolio based on what you're seeing on the market, right? Not only on the market, always be before, earlier than a lot of people within the market. So that's the main reason why it's so important, right? It's so important to be early to a lot of stuff. Be early to a lot of stuff and trying to understand what you're seeing within happening within the market. Okay, so that's the main reason why you guys need to be early to a lot of these opportunities that you guys are seeing right now. So that's the main thing, though. That's the main thing of what you guys are seeing right now. So I would like to go into some detail of something that I saw before, just to break up this crypto stuff, because I have a very in-depth information about what's happening with Luigi and stuff like that. But I don't want to make a fud out of it, because one thing that I was doing some research, and I found out that I know this guy from way back. Okay, so it's not something that I came across, and I was trying to understand where did I know this guy from. Um, and yeah, so I have some information on this guy, because he is a very good data analytics. So he has a lot of information that we don't know about. Okay, so but I will not go on to disturb you guys. Let's go into finding information that I was talking about, so we can go ahead and trying to see how we can manage to go through this. Okay, so yes, finding the right information is the key to success within crypto. Okay, finding the right information is the key to success in crypto. How finding information is very basics. So very basic in a sense of understanding where you're going to and where you're coming from is one of the main most important thing within crypto. So that's the main reason why you should always be prepared when you are doing something in crypto. Always be prepared to understand where you're going to. Okay, so by doing this you will always be early to a lot of stuff, early to a lot of projects, early to a lot of things that we are seeing right now in crypto. So that's the main reason why I always tell you guys to always be prepared when you're doing something. Always go ahead and trying to understand what's happening in crypto right now. Okay. So that's the main reason why I love to share stuff with you guys, because I know that a lot of you guys are very smart, are doing a lot of stuff. And I know that you guys are going to be very, very, very happy with all the information that I have to share with you guys. So that's one of the main things that I love to share. Um, Let me check. So yeah, let me go ahead and then finish up what I'm doing right now. So right now we have a retracement on our token, and we know 100% for sure that the token is coming back to the mean, a lower high, higher low. It's coming to the low. So this is what we can expect of the price to do right now. So what we can see from this, you see this, right? This is what we can expect. This is at least today is 10, right? And then a retracement. But from this moment on, I'm already enter here, so I don't have to enter anymore. So I'm gonna leave this until the end of the month here. And going back to this token right here that I enter in a couple of days ago, and also you guys can see my entry very vivid right now, from the point of entry that I had on to this moment right now. Yes, of course, I had a very, very good entry, and this is the entry that we like, right? So I was barely, let me check, barely one day, second day. I was the second day in. So, for example, these are the chart that we really love to see in crypto, right? So these are the chart. These are literally the chart that we want to see, we want to be in, right? We have this uptrend and then downtrend, markup, distribution, accumulation, and then right away markup again. So all these things that you guys are seeing here are entry moments or entry opportunity that I had in this crypto. So it's the same thing as I just show you with this other crypto that, for example, it took 13 day, for example, 13 day to just bypass that all-time high and then break out of that section right there. So the same thing with here is the same thing. At least this one I'm like 1 hour in or something, like 1 hour in, 50 minute in, at least 40 minute in. I was 40 minute into the project. So this is a long-term shot for me to just really break that barrier of what we're seeing right now on virtual fund. So virtual fund is the place to be when you are getting into AI and understanding the patterns of behavior of AI tokens in base. And this is like the main language of AI and virtual. So virtual is the main mother of AI, and you guys can see it right here. They have a lot of tokens that you guys can really um, enhance on going in and trying to understand it, how it works. And for example, like for now, we are doing our first site. We are doing our first cycle on AI. Okay, the AI is our first cycle right now. Remember that we are on our first cycle on AI. So that means I just shared a strategy. Here you go, right? So this is a main strategy that I have, and I'm gonna share also something with you guys so you guys can see it right away. And let me open this up, and then I will show you guys what I'm working on, and so you guys can understand where I'm going with this one. One thing I really want you guys to resonate with me is understanding the cycle that we are seeing on base right now, and we can apply this. Really, we can really apply this to a lot of other projects that we want to apply it to. Okay, so let me share with you guys in this section. Let me open my email, and so we can get ahead of, we can start doing this. Agree, sign up. So I'm gonna share some details and share some strategy and some stuff that I'm working on right now. So you guys know already how we are going to do this. So first thing first, after we all see this and trying to understand the cycle, what we are seeing right now in crypto, in major things like this moment, guys are seeing. Let's go in and share it with you guys. Hope you guys are seeing my screen. Let me shut down my camera because it's not about me, it's about you guys. What's up, everyone? Hello, Tin Top. So a lot of people around here. So we're gonna go over how we can strategize or take the same strategy and build this around what I'm showing you guys right now at this moment. Okay. So I of course it's in Spanish. So I speak Spanish. I told you guys already. So this is what we are going to start seeing right now. We are going to start trying to match up and then trying to understand the cycle and the movement of money within not only base but other chains, and we can reconnect them all together to have a rotate our money into different cryptos and in different projects. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna show you guys this. Remove myself. So let's go ahead and check. Let's check something. Let's check something so you guys know and have a vision of what I'm talking about. Right now, in this moment, you guys are seeing that I created this rotate rotation money within crypto. So we have OG tokens, then we rotate into meme, and now from meme we rotate into new token, new AI token, and then we go from AI tokens to meme again, and from meme we go to new tokens, and from new tokens we go to OG tokens, and now we repeat the same strategy over and over again, right? So what we want to do is we want to identify tokens between 150K to 5 million or to 1 million, and that's something subjectly to what you guys want to find. For example, let me head over to this. So this can change. We can put this from 1 million to 10 million market cap, of the 5 million market cap. That's also one thing. 5 million market cap, that's like the real deal in crypto. 5 million market cap will be the main thing that we want to see. So for example, how can we manage to do this? How can we manage to fix this and then go into finding tokens like this? So I'm going to show you guys a very simple way to do it, and I want you guys to also copy my strategy and do the same thing, so you guys can have the ability to understand and then practice on it, and so you can in the future have some benefits of doing this. Okay, so for example, you want to find tokens that are between 150K, even though you can go much lower than this. You can even go like for 35K, for example, market cap, to 1 million and divide it in different market cap. Okay, so you can go from 35K to 1 million market cap, and then you can go from 1 million market cap to 150 million market cap above. Okay, so I'm gonna move this here. I'm gonna move this here, and then like this, right? I'm just gonna copy this and then drop it here. So this is what I'm doing right now to achieve my success in crypto and also help other achieve success in crypto, right? So what I'm doing right now is, for example, I'm going for 135 million k market cap to 10 million market cap or 6 million market cap, and from 1 million market cap to 100 million market cap, and from 100 million to 1 billion market cap. So right now at this moment there's a lot of projects out there that are doing the same thing, and based on my research and based on my observation of the market, I found out that if you are early to the 300 the 35k to 1 million market cap, you're still early to do a bunch of these. So um this is really tokens or cryptos that are really are on points or on place to be listed on exchanges. Okay, so I'm gonna drop this list down. There will be so yes, this is a potential exchange listing. So remember this, keep this in mind. This can be a potential um listing, a really potential listing, or we can make it smaller so you guys can see it, right? Potential potential listing. um um it's also consistent on volume on a page. So what we want to do is, for example, I'm going to mark a lot of these stuff so you guys know how you guys can identify a lot of these opportunities that I am identifying, and then go into a lot of places that you guys can learn how to do it and do it yourself, so you don't have to be you don't have to rely on other people to do this stuff like this. Okay, so for example, we have 30k to 1 million market cap. So this is before listing on coin market cap and before listing to so yeah, I will break this down. I will break this down based on my observation, and this is a very important section of it, because the most of the token that you will not be seeing is before listing and community show. Before listing, before listing on coin market cap and CoinGecko and all the others, Telegram group and stuff like that. This is the place. So first of all, no, let me change this. This is not true. This is not true. Let me listing. So yes, so it will be like this. Okay, so this is what we are seeing right now. So this is the main thing we like to see. We always see, and a lot of people don't see it. And this is, for example, a lot of tokens that are being created. And when they are created, a lot of people don't see them being listed onto CoinMarketCap. So that's the main reason why I always say that a lot of people need to understand how this plays off. Okay. So if you don't manage to get into this first round, first round. So this is the cycle. Let's call this, the cycle of. And I'm gonna show you guys also the way that you guys can understand this. This is very easy. Um, it's very easy, and I'm gonna show you guys based on yeah, based on what we call the charts, so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So this is very important, right? So you have the before showing and to onto a community showed, before this has to be showed to a community. It's going to be shield, but not everyone is going to be early to it. And then you have the they are going to, this one is going to appeal, or let's say send application, send the application to CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. This is actually what normally happens, and then the token will be shielded on CoinMarketCap after 1 million and 1 million to 100 million market cap. So actually, this is what if you are not in the first cycle, if you're not in the first cycle, um, always trying to be in the second cycle, right? So this is what we want to do. We want to avoid. And then the fourth cycle is news and stuff like that. Yeah. So so this is what we normally see in a project. So I'm gonna show you guys based on the chart. So first thing first, send application to CoinMarketCap. And then we're gonna put here by CMC and accepted by CMC and Coin. So these are the things that to look for into projects. So this also depends on the chain you are. Let's be honest. This is depend on the chain you are. It's not on all the chain that this happened. And based on what I'm trying to show you guys today, this is a main cycle of what we're seeing and what we normally are able to see throughout the market that we are in right now. And I know 100% for sure that this is something that a lot of people don't know and don't understand. So that's the main reason why you always need to do your research. You always have to be already on point with what you're doing, and also trying to um, understand the narrative where that you are in right now. So this is normally what you are going to see. This is normally what you're going to see based on your research, based on what you're doing right now. This is normally what you're going to see after the token has launched. So the token is new, the token just launched, and you are going to get uh, um, a chart like this. I'm going to show it to you guys. Let's go ahead and take a token as an example on Solana. Let's take a token on Solana. Wait a second. Let me check something here. Somebody told me about a token today. Not this one. Chaos is also good. 7 day already. Okay, I'm waiting a little bit more before I start buying again. Let's take a token so you guys can see what I am talking about, and you guys can have like an example of what I'm trying to explain to you guys. Okay. Um Did it change already? No. Okay. Gumpy. This will be my next buy. So let's go ahead to check some token that has been listed already to CoinMarketCap. And what I will do is very simple. I will just click on liquidity on market cap, and then go ahead and start finding tokens like Giga, Gold, and stuff like that. For example, we are going just to take one for the sake of this video so you guys can understand and have an example of what I'm talking about. Okay. So this is a very early stage of Go token. And for example, is already hitting one of the main target that we are trying to get ahead of. Okay, so so that means that, for example, if you go to 4 hours, this token has approximately about 1 month, 1 month, and this is something that is we can do some research on it. Okay, so let's say let's go to CoinMarketCap, and I will show you guys on CoinMarketCap. I will show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, just gonna add the name Goat. Goat. Yes, Goat maximum. Here you go. And then we're gonna take the chart, and we are gonna take some to see example of, for example, here you see it. This information coin listed on perpetual futures on Gold Crypto was listed, and we have here this information of Kraken, second largest in United States, announced it. So okay, if we go ahead and start seeing from the moment or from the day this token was launched, we start seeing a lot of things happening, right? So first thing first, we are seeing that the token was very early stages of the token, and we can start adding patterns with patterns recognition within these tokens. So the 24th of October of 2024, the token was listed for perp on that. So I would like to see if they add some more information about when it was listed. So yeah, so we can see the listing on different exchanges, and that will help us also. Let me check. But this one was not listed. Let me check. It was listed on Binance. Yes. Oh no, Bitcoin. Let's take another one. Let's check it out. Let's take another one as an example. Let's take as an example. We will take. mm, let's just take a token. One of the main token that was listed on Binance. Um, let's see if we can find something. Let's go to the next page. Okay, let's take Popcat as an example. Let's take Popcat. A lot of information, a lot of data. That's what we need because we want to understand what just happened in the market. So we have a very good visual how we can go in and also find tokens like this before they blow up, and trying to capitalize on them. Okay. So you see, we have a couple of information already here on pops up. This is on OKX, for example. And if you got and then we go back, this was at once 0.205. Popcat was a 205 January 2024. Okay, so we are talking about way back, way back. Okay, so way back. So but let's go to Peanuts. Peanuts also was listed on Binance very early on. So this is an example of what we have been seeing, right? So this is an example of what is likely to be early to projects and see the project blow up. So this is a very very good entry right now for peanuts. Yes, at 1 billion market cap. But let's go to check some stuff right here, right? So this is something that normally you guys see. This was launched on 21 of October 2024. If we take the project, we go to the screen and scroll, we take the name, go to coin market cap, we add the name in coin market cap, and we will start seeing peanut the squirrel. And we are going to see all the information that will base on this token. We will start seeing all of them in this area. So right now, as you guys can see right here, you see listed on Binance Spot, listed on OKX, listed on OKX Future, and then you have the peanut listed on Spot on list Spot listing on Binance and stuff like that. So where was it seen to be listed? 1 billion market cap. Okay, so this is already something that we have to start checking. Tokens with a lot of volume, tokens that are really like into what we are seeing right now at this moment, tokens that are very out there are getting listed onto Binance when they hit 1 billion market cap. Okay, so those information we have them right now. 1 billion market cap will get you into listing into coin market cap. So, and it could be earlier. It could be earlier, but like the suggestion is to have 1 billion market cap listed into Binance. So we are talking about tokens that are already around 100 million market cap to 1 billion market cap that are getting potentially listed on market cap, on Coinbase and Binance and stuff like that. So this is already already green flag to understand what are exchanges looking for and what they are looking for to list a token. A lot of volume, a lot, 1 billion market cap, and then send the token all the way to no, at least no, it was not even billion market cap, right? Let me check before I go ahead. 11 of November, 11 of November. If we go back to the chart, 11 of November, 11 of November, the token was at, the market cap was at, yes, between 100 and 1 billion market cap. So this is what this is what they are looking for. Before that one, above 100 million market cap, above 100 million market cap, that's the point of the main focus of a lot of these exchanges when they want to list, they want to list something. Okay, this is what we need to look forward. We need to look forward into token like this. But right at this moment, you guys see this token comes out, it dump a lot, go to 100 and 100 and a 20 mark, 20,000 market cap to be exactly. And we can mark this as an example also. So this is very good moment to check and then take it as a consideration to start learning chart and start analyzing your chart, so you have an understanding of when can you be seeing that your token be listed. So it took approximately about 11 days approximately to be listed on coin market cap because of the FUD and because of what we have been seeing. It took it a lot, approximately about 10 days to be listed on market cap. So based on the volume, based on the liquidity, based on the trend, based on what we're seeing, this token got listed on coin market cap, on Binance and other exchanges based on that, right? So that helps us understand, um, a very have a very deep understanding of what we're seeing and what can we expect in different tokens when uh, when projects are being created and being built to be exactly to be listed on different exchange. Okay, so listing is around here, 11 November to be exactly. So this is how I try to go to understand. So listing is around November, right? November around 100 market cap around here, right? Right around here was the listing, 11 November, right here. We track it here. And suddenly, price up, price goes up, and we start seeing 100 above 100 tokens start getting listed into Coinbase, Binance, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so it's very important to know this. It's very important to know when we can see movement like this in different tokens, and that's the main reason why you always have to analyze tokens to have an example of where it's so. Going back to the main first cycles are very important into understanding and going into crypto, into a token. For example, we saw this market cap go all the way down. Let me add this so we have a better vision of what we are seeing right now. Okay, high, low, very good. So this is a better vision of what you guys are seeing right now. So the lower that the market cap was is 16,000 market cap. 16,000 market cap, and before it hit that point of going to be listed was at 127 million market cap. So right away from the bat, understanding this chart, we are seeing that before it get listed, we saw the first pump, the first cycle was around 9 million market cap. First cycle, 9 million market cap. Nobody was talking about it. Nobody was saying something. So we were talking about around here, okay? Even though we can change this, right? Before the show. So you have a group that always are early to a lot of these tokens, and then you have a small group that is start going into sending applications to CoinMarketCap, and then you start seeing the first cycle, the first pump up, right? The first pump. Let's say that this is the first pump. This is the first pump, right? This is the first pump, even though this is the first one. But let's say the first psychological market cap is at 10 million. Here you go, 10 million market cap, and then have the retracement. Into the retracement, and then suddenly the boom to the upside. Okay, so now we have the second pump. So first pump, market here, first cycle. So we have the first cycle right around here. And then we have the second cycle. The second cycle, very important. So on internet, on online, we can find all the information about peanuts and, for example, coin market cap, listing on coin market cap, and blah blah blah, all the information. So now also we found this is the second cycle. So then we have the distribution phase going into sideways trend, and then we have the accumulation zone where a lot of whales are accumulating and they're buying. And that's the main thing a lot of people don't know. A lot of whales are accumulating, and they're not going to tell you that they are accumulating. The same way we found here the accumulation phase, right? Same way accumulation phase, and then we go for the third cycle. So you guys can see this right here. What I'm showing you guys right now is what we call the fake out. The fake out is very important because in the fake out, those who have been accumulating, those who have been buying around this section right here are waiting at this moment, right? They are waiting to pump the price and then scare you out of it and then create this fake out. So this fake out right here is very important because a lot of people, before you get into this distribution phase, I mean this accumulation phase, you have the distribution phase. So you have this what we call the Wyckoff theory. Okay, you have the markup, right? The markup, the markdown distribution, and then you have the sideways trend, and then you have the fake out. Right? Let me clear it again. Right? So you have accumulation phase right here, mark up, mark down into accumulation phase, and then you have fake out. And this is where a lot of people fall into the trap of selling everything because they saw that the price is going back up, and it goes back down, but it never goes below the support that we're seeing right here. It always go around the same places. So it gets around the same, let's say for example, right around here, we have this higher high, and it stops there with a resistance where the support is. So after it doesn't bust, so let's say for example the price reach here and then go lower, then we have a problem. Then you have that they fake out and then rug it and then come here back and then pump it back up. But we don't see this here. What we see here is a fake out. People think, okay, price is going back down, let me sell, and then the wheels come back and then start pumping this pump up. There's the markup. And then you have again the distribution phase into the sideways trend, right? And then you have again what we say we call distribution phase, right? And before the distribution phase, we have the fake out of back again. So you always have the markdown, so distribution phase, and then you have the sideways trend, then you have the fake out, and then you have the fake out, and then mark up distribution again, and then the price goes back up. So you guys can see the pattern right here. So first you have the launch of the token, sideways trend, a mark up, sorry, sideways trend, mark up, distribution, sideways trend, going in back into the distribution phase, sideways mark up, distribution phase, sideways trend, fake out. So keep that in mind. Those five things are very important. Mark up, distribution, accumulation, fake out, distribution, mark up. Okay, very important to know. So we're gonna write it down. We have the marked up, distribution, accumulation, so this is what you guys need to look for in every chart. Very important. Markup is when the market is going up. Distribution phase is when they start distribution, selling, selling, and then you have. Let me edit. It's when the market is going up. And then we have distribution. No, I'm not gonna say I hate I hate Mac because it's helping me a lot. But it just disappeared. Did it just disappear? Yep. Forget about it. Oh no, I have it here. Oh, good. Markup is when the market is going up. Distribution phase is when And then we have accumulation zone. Yes. So we have this information right here. Um, make it smaller so you guys can see it. Accumulation, and then we have to fake out. It's when investors fake faked a pump, make it easy for you, make you sell, and then we go into distribution back again. So this is an example of what you guys need to look for into a chart. Crucial, very crucial. You guys need to understand this. This is the main structure of all tokens. Structure of all tokens. If I'm wrong on this one, you guys can correct me, but I'm never wrong on this type of stuff. Okay. We can go through chart after chart and we can start seeing the same pattern over and over again. And I'm sharing this with you guys for free. Okay. We have somebody that said something. Hey, what is your thought on Giga as in relationship to winner prediction? It's the same thing for me. It's the same thing. I'm seeing what a lot of people are not seeing, and this is the same pattern. We can go and see the same structure, same pattern of Giga. Let's go into it and let's check it out, and so you guys know. And remember, we can go check it out, right? So let's go back. Let's copy what we just did. We are just gonna take some notes. Notes are very important for me. And what we're gonna do is we are gonna just do the same thing. We're gonna copy this, and we are going to go to these tokens, and then we are gonna analyze and do the same thing. Okay. So, for example, we have Giga. Giga has approximately about 11 months, very solid one, and it looks like it's going for a new all-time high. And I love it because is very. We had a very big dip, sold off, and come all the way here, this section right here. So this is very important for the token because it's a very strong, has a strong community. But let's take a look on how, right, on how we are seeing the same thing repeat over and over again in different segment of this token. Okay, let's go and take a look, right? If we can find the same pattern, right? We are going to go from the start. So what we are seeing right here, we are seeing mark up, distribution, mark up, again, mark up, fake out, go back down to this report right here, support, and then sideways trend. We have the accumulation zone, and then we have this mark up back again. Guys, see the markup, and every time we see a markup, right, we see this steady line, this steady accumulation zone, right? and then boom, mark up, boom, mark down, back again, right? Holding this support level, mark down, and then go back up. And this is a steady, this is a well steady community, right? That holds the token up. This is what we call a PPP, player pump player, right? Player pump player, right? So this one should be listed already on exchange, like Binance, Coinbase, and stuff like this. So this is a very very strong community based on the chart that I'm seeing right now. Is very steady. Is holding a pace that a lot of tokens are not doing. Why? Because they really have created a community around this token. So that's one of the most important thing. Of course, can we see this token go to $1? Of course, we can see it go to $1. Why? Because of the community, because of the holders, because of the people holding the token, we will see this token eventually hit the 1 billion market cap. Very easy. This is very is very in there. So it's not something that I'm like saying, nah, it's not going to happen, because yeah, it's going to happen, right? So it's very easy to see it. It's very easy to manage to watch it happen. Now, for example, if we take a look at some Ethereum, right? Some Ethereum chain, see what's happening on Ethereum. We can also find out and see that's a lot of these token, a lot of these crypto that we have been seeing going around are performing very well. For example, we have Nero. Nero is a token that came to help, make Shiba deflationary, and we saw that they're doing an all-time but very low right now at 270 million market cap. So now at this moment, this is a very good investment for me, because it's a very low place, a low where is it right now? Yeah, look, Turbo just hit 1 cent, right? Here we see it also, the same thing. We can find the same thing over and over again, right? The same thing. We see it right away, right again. Turbo. So this is what you want to see. You want to see the markup, distribution phase, accumulation phase, fake out, go back into distribution phase, and then the markup back again. Or we see right back again. We see it, distribution, accumulation, fake out, distribution, accumulation, fake out, markup, right? It varies in the different tokens, different metrics. We keep on seeing the same thing over and over again. It repeats itself. It can it repeat itself over and over again. Let's go back to the token that we saw earlier, right? We saw earlier. So I told you guys already, we are seeing retracement. The retracement is going to come and touch that higher low, higher low, right? Higher low, higher low. Why? Because this is a higher high, and then we see a higher low, right? And now it's retracing back again. So after this, what we are going to see, we are going to see, like, we see a distribution. If we go on 5 minutes, right? Distribution is always holding. It's always holding that position right there, trying to keep the token on the support and resistance. So the accumulation phase always happen in the distribute in the accumulation phase always happen in the support and resistance area. Always. See it? And then going back, trying to go to the fake out. Everybody thinks, okay, we're gonna go back out. Boom, fake out. Boom, mark up back again. What we're gonna see again? We're gonna go back into this support level. Gonna try to hold that support right there, and then we are going into this support and resistance, right? If we go into the support and resistance right here, the price is going to keep on going, accumulation phase, and then we have the fake out, go back down, right? The fake out, this go back into distribution, and then we have the mark up going for the 10 million market cap, right? So this is a very, very interesting move that I'm seeing right now. And for me at this moment, I'm still in profit because I enter right around here. So that means that I'm very early into this project and I'm holding this project for a long term, right? Why? Because I know that, for example, from here we can go into this movement right here and then fake out, go back down, right? And then go to the 10 million market cap. That should be approximately the movement of this token, right? So based on what I'm seeing and based what I research, we can expect a 10 million market cap very easy on this token, right? So that's something that I'm waiting for. And then we have the retracement back again, right? They always have that retracement, the price come back down and then go sideways trend, fake out 9 million, fake out 9 million. After faking out the 9 million, come back down and then break out, go to 100 million market cap. That should be. So it would take approximately about, let's say, not like this, a couple of days after retracement. So the good thing, I entered this first day. So we are still in the first day. So that means that this candle should close above. If it close above, then we have the second candle close below. And after seeing a lot of candles like this, we start going back up and then keep on moving. And then, right. So 100 million market cap should be an easy target for this token. 100 million market cap is what I'm seeing for this token right here. And I will mark it from my entry point. That will make me approximately about around 50x on this token. 50x on this token is a good one based on 20 days, or we're calculating on 20 days or something like that, or 70x on 100 million market cap. So am I happy? Yes. Do I have to wait? Yes. But eventually, yeah, we will round up and come back to this point right here of how we see the market and how we actually can get in very early into different projects. So that's the main thing of understanding the market, understanding what we're seeing, and understanding how the market behave in itself. Why? Because it will help you understand everything that you're seeing in the market. Okay, so that's the main thing, guys. That's the reason why we are here today. The reason why we are understanding the main focus and the main vision of a lot of tokens on base, on different tokens, on whatever you want to call it, on Pulsechain, whatever it is the same thing, guys. It's the same thing over and over again. We are just seeing it happening over and over, and we are just happy to see it move the same thing. So, for example, here we have a token that I saw very early, beginning 22 days after explode, right? And I saw this the first day. So a lot of stuff are coming back to explode, right? This one already, it's already preparing to get. So we have the accumulation zone right here. You see it. Here you go, right? Accumulation zone, mark up, distribution, fake out, boom, mark up, and now it's going back down. And then what we want to see is this move back up and then come hit the 10 million market cap. So yeah, it's getting crazy on base. It's getting crazy on different chain, and that's the main thing, guys. That's the thing that we are seeing happening. And I always say, you're not late. You are not late to none of this. You're not late. One token, you see it right here. One token that could explode very soon. 99K market cap. Very soon to explode to a new all-time high. very soon. Let me go back to 5 minutes chart. So everything is live right now. So is it live? Yeah, it's live. It's live. It's live. Everything we're doing right now is live. So yes, this is what we're seeing right now. Let me check something. I'm gonna be checking something right now. Mm, okay. Let me get ahead. So right now, this token is not listed yet on CoinMarketCap. So that means that we still have a very big opportunity on seeing it listed on CoinMarketCap. So that's the first thing that I'm checking right now. So waiting for the CoinMarketCap listing, and then from there on, we are moving forward to different stuff. And yes, we were start seeing a lot of stuff. So let me go back into what I was just saying, and then start seeing that one token that I just saw that I'm going to be buying also is on the almost on the rise of pumping, and I'm going to buy it. So, but first thing first, let me go ahead and check some more stuff that I'm looking at right now. So to just prepare myself for a different movement. um, Another token that I'm seeing very much potential and a lot of people are buying right now is CME, right? Right. This one is a potential one to explode, and I'm seeing a lot of people buying it. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy another bag of this one. Gonna buy another bag of this one. Normally, I'm using bull. So I have. Let's check. Bullx. Normally, I use Bullx to buy these stuff. Let me check. Yes, it's about to explode. It's about to explode. It's about to explode. It's a 4 hour chart, right? Yeah, it's a 4 hour chart. So I'm just gonna to I'm gonna drop it in there. Just drop it in there, right? and then complete the 1 million tokens that I have. And then, of course, wait for that to happen because we are already, let me check, we are already, how much day in? I think we are a couple of days in already. From 4 December until now, we are approximately about 6 day in it. So yeah, and I'm going forward to check what else I want to buy so I can start move my money around because there's a couple of tokens coming up very fast, and I just want to accumulate as much as possible so I can get ahead of what I'm seeing right now. So this token also has had a very big drop, but this is very good though. I mean, like this opportunity buy right here, 5 zeros, fake out. We are going also to buy a little bit more of this one. The thing is, I don't. Or just 10 days already in. 10 days is very good though. Let me check. Let me go check for something else that I was looking for. Mm, Elliot is coming back. The return of Elliot. Yes, I was waiting for this confirmation. I was waiting for the confirmation, Elliot. So what we're going to do right now is we are going to divide. Let me check. I'm going to divide. This is going to be buying up. Yes. So I have price impact. I'm gonna wait. Let me complete the 203, right? Wait for it. So this is the movement that I was waiting for, right? This fake out right here, and this 4 hour movement. So I'm waiting, just waiting for the to get out. I don't want that. I don't want that right now. So this is very good, right? We have this distribution accumulation fake out, go back in, and then waiting for that to change structure of the market, right? Even though we are not there yet to see the change in the market, but on 4 hour we are seeing this structure moving. So we want to buy around here and then wait for a token to at least have some movement to the upwards, and then we're gonna start buying from now. Okay, so from there on, what we're gonna do is trying to wait for, let me distribute my, well, so yeah, now we can buy it, giving me price impact. Come on, available to the market. So it's trying to swap a less than Elliott and receive. So we're gonna switch between this one and then sell it for So let's go for 5. 5 is okay. And then we start distributing that money around based on our um, portfolio management, what we are doing. Okay. So that's one thing. So right now is this is a very good movement that I'm seeing right now. So this bearish divergence that we saw right here, we still need, for example, for another one. And if we go to 1 hour, we are seeing that we are moving out. It's very, very, let's say, not so strong, not so strong, but we can eventually see it go back up already. Okay, so this is what we're expecting right now. So um yeah, so let's go back to some charts. So let's write down some stuff that we need, and then we are gonna buy those accumulation zones, and then we go into moving around and find some new stuff. Okay, so this is very but very positive. So yeah, this is what we want to see, this breakout. Right on 15 minutes looks very good. It's already out there. On 2 minute we still wanted to come back down and break out and form, like I was telling you guys, s- is showing us already that volume decreasing in our CCI commodity index. So it's decreasing, so we need a little bit more here. For example, if this come back down right around here and then make a turn back up, and then we start seeing that decrease of tokens. So this is very important, this right here, because this is how you identify a really strong entry into a lot of tokens in crypto, right? So you want to see this, this eventually play out, right? Before hitting out. So right now we are seeing the same thing, right? So we start seeing this decreasing, go back in, decreasing, and then get back out. And let's say, for example, this should be our entry, but on 4 hour, it looks very great. 4 hour, it looks very great. So it could have, like, for example, fake out, go back down, even though we already had a fake out here, but we still have like this one right here. One fake out, two fake out, three fake out, and then go into distribution phase and then pump back out. So this is something we have to keep our eyes on it. Keep our eyes on that one for sure. And let me go out and let's keep on searching for more stuff, because I had a very great idea. Let's see chaos, what chaos is doing. Chaos is right now, chaos is doing very well. So you see, these are the charts that I'm looking for to buy, right? So these are the tokens that I look, it bottom out already. We have the bearish bullish divergence right here. The pattern are going into, and this is some indicators for me as an investor, that I can go in and buy, you know, and buy these tokens for a good entry for what I'm saying about those movement. So for me, staying in this position and battle out and buying these tokens based on my analysis and based on what I'm searching, because I already searched this one, so I already searched it. I already went to it. I already did my research on it, right? So the good thing of this is that I can just go in and buy a small amount and still be profitable, and not worrying myself about what I'm seeing in the market. So right now, this is one of very great entry point for me as an investor. A very great entry, right? A very great entry as an investor. Let me check how much. So this is like the way that I manage my portfolio, right? I don't go in and then be like, oh, let me buy a lot of it. No, I just spread around my investment and then just wait for the process to start, right? So this is like bottom out, really bottom out, right? So let's make sure that our transaction went through. Yes, we saw it, 1 million. We have 1 million token on our wallet. So now we wait for it to pump back up and then get out of that position and go right away to a different segment. So this is like the main thing that a lot of people don't know how to do is, doing the research on these tokens on base. This is a very beautiful chart. This is a very beautiful chart right there. A very beautiful chart right there. Let's go into seeing a lot of stuff that I was searching for, and I think I will keep on going on checking, and I will still buy this one right here that I have in mind to buy it still, and of course there's a couple of tokens more that I'm checking. I have it on my list. Mm, Klarna.fun and let's see. Simba is coming back also. Sim also. You see, we were talking about it. We just were talking about it, and you guys seen that there is a movement, a very clear movement of a breakout. So because we have this clear movement of a breakout, we are going to take the opportunity to just tap in as we're seeing right now, and then just drop a decent amount of tokens. Oh, I have already 1 million. So yes, so good. So that was a very good buy. Damn it, what you said that I did just did. So now, as you guys are seeing right now, we are just trying to get into a different token. You guys saw we bought the bottom of this one right here. So we are keep on going in to find opportunities that we can manage to capitalize on, and see that a lot of these tokens are very very rare in their way of doing stuff. So yes, so we have Ano that it's breaking, so we want to have a very good entry on Ano. And of course, we have this token right now that's also coming back up, and we have Normie that also coming up, but I'm still searching for Lux. Let's see. Let's go to the next page. So I can just take I can just take it and then start showing it around. So like for example, this is also another token that just bottom out, for example. And this also, if we go here to this page right here, and then we go back to the pump fund page right here, and then you guys can see if we go through all this list right now, we will be able to find these tokens that are listed right here. So for example, if we keep on going, we will find tokens as the one that we were checking and stuff like this. And I thank God for giving me this mindset of researching stuff like this, because it's a very 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 lucrative way of making money, right? So now you guys are seeing, right, we're seeing this right now, and you guys can say, okay, this is a very good opportunity also to get in on this one. By virtual, if we check it doesn't have a lot of information, but if we go to the Twitter, we could find some information about it. They have like 300 followers, and I can say a living experience on intelligence base AI, and this is giving us like an example of what we can expect. So guys, like I'm saying, I'm not gonna be going into a lot of stuff because it could be crazy me entering a lot of these tokens and be like, I'm gonna miss out. I'm not gonna miss out because I'm in a right place at the right time. Why? Because I have been doing my research, I've been doing my stuff to understand what's going on and how we can take advantage and learn how to do this the proper way, right? So yes, so those are the things that we are looking for into a token, and we want to make it happen for ourselves, right? So let's go back to up and then let's search for Lux. That's one token that I was waiting for to bottom out, waiting Lux to bottom out, and looks like we are still waiting for that bottom out. Let me check on frame, waiting for the frame. Let me check it out. Yeah, so we have already this fake out right here. So that means that right now we are getting back to that movement of the movement of upward trend. So let's go back into what we were saying, and then we go back into checking a couple of different chart on base, right? Mm, and I know a lot of people are asking themselves, yes, but why only base? Yeah, that's where the money is at this moment, right? So yeah, we are trying to get ahead of a lot of stuff, trying to get ahead of a lot of movement. Like you guys are seeing right here, we have a fake out. That's what I love. That's what I love. I'm going back into this one, right? I'm just gonna buy for the reason, buy for this dip right here that I'm seeing coming up. So so yeah, I love, like right now it's not even 1 million market cap. So it's very easy to reach the 1 million market cap. Very easy to reach the 1 million market cap. There will be This will be the trade of my life here, right here. I mean, like I'm just diversifying a certain way that I know 100% for sure that I'm gonna make my money back on the long term. I have some price impact, right? So this is the moment where I'm slowly but surely rotating money into a different coin. Why? Because of the rotation of the token, right? Is the rotation of the projects, the rotation of the chain, right? You guys saw that I show you guys that the money is moving from Ethereum to base. So that means that because right now we also are seeing that the price of Bitcoin is recovering from its moving down. So now we are going to see a lot of tokens come back to life to just pump and then keep on moving forward. Okay. So based on this, I just want to, make it clear for a lot of you guys that, for example, this 21 day, right? So this is like the most beautiful chart that I'm seeing right now that's going back to break that all-time high right now. So am I going to risk it? No, I'm not risking it. It's just that I just understand that a lot of these tokens right here are just the thing that we want to get into it very early. I'm just going to do this. I can just rotate my money into this and then rotate my money back into what I'm seeing right now. So if I go, like, for example, to this one and then top tap, even though I can rotate my money into it, this is very easy to hit the billion market cap right after this breakout right here. So so this is like the top thing that I'm looking for in a chart, looking for a breakout. That's the main reason why I'm not on Solana. I'm just on base because I know I can find the best opportunity based on what I'm researching. So that 3 cent is highly one thing that I really want to reach at this moment. 3 cents, and it could take a couple of days. It could take a couple of days. It could take a couple of days or more, right? So it could take a couple of days, or it can take more days to go into this one. But like I'm saying, right? So I'm just gonna hold that right now, hold that thought, and then have those point ready to move into my position, and wait for it to happen. Like I show you guys already, this was a very good position for me to enter. Like amazing. Like this is like just what I was looking for, and this is what I'm really into. The bottom out situation of this token right here, doing a bullish divergence right here, very strong bullish divergence into the three titties. The three titties, I can call this a three titties, like titty one, titty two, titty three, and then we have this move upwards, right, to come to the all-time high, and then break this movement. So very soon we could see this token highly hit a different market cap, or bypass or break out this right here. So we could have a fake out and then come back and then break out. That's normal thing that we could see happen. And of course, there's stuff that we could keep on moving forward into it. Like for example, 15 minutes, right? This is like 15 minutes chart. So we can say this is a. We go to the website. Let's check the website out. Just launch DNA into code, the Binance, blah, blah, blah. It could be something, but it could be also um, Twitter. This already a token that was launched on. Nah, I'm not going into this. This it can pump all over wherever you want to go pump, but nah, I'm not gonna. I can just add like $10 in it or something like that, just for if we have an issue, suspicious function. Nah, I don't feel it. I'm not gonna FOMO myself into that one. So yes, so this is one of the main things. So let's take a look, a very close look of what we are doing, or what we are going to do, and how we can handle this, right? So we already have like a token called liquid butt right on. So yes, so this is like, for example, what we normally see into a token happening on a chain after it hit all-time high. It comes back down to a certain point, reach that amount of percentage, 50 to 60% down, and we could see a much lower. But that's the thing, though. That's the thing. That's what we like to do. We love to do. We love to buy low and sell high, right? So that's the one of the main thing that we want to see. We have only 1,662 holders, so that's very good. So we could see the price go much lower, but we already on 5 minutes. We did already 5 minutes. We did, you see it right here, titties. 50 minutes, still there. We have a bullish divergence on a bullish divergence on 15 minutes. So what we really like to see is on 1 hour. So this is very great, right? So this is like an example of what we love to see. This is like the position that I really want to get in right now. So we're gonna hit the contract. I normally don't buy through to this right now, and then buy eventually buy 1 million, 2 million to complete my 20 million tokens, and just wait it out as a very great community. And actually, yes, we are seeing right now the bottom out of the token. And yeah, guys, this is what I normally do every day. So I'm not suggesting you guys to go and buy it, but I mean, like, I'm just doing my research, and and go in and check those kind of stuff. Okay, so that's one of the main thing that I normally do. Um, and yeah, buy my position, get in, buy my position, and keep on accumulating on base. Because when like I told you guys already, base already has their 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 fan base. They already have their public. So for me, it's a win-win situation that I can go in and start doing the same thing over and over again on different chain, and just expecting. Like for example, right now, you guys see it right now, it's pumping, right? So they're adding some liquidity and marketing to it, right? To make it seem as it's helping. So somebody's buying and selling, it's buying, selling, buying, selling. But we still have a suspicious. So I don't mind to wait and then let it go, because I don't worry about that. So of course, I already have a couple of position waiting to happen on this one right here. And yes, like I told you guys, we were going to hit that target and come back up. So yeah, so waiting up, waiting up. So we have right on this section right here, going back in and then keep on going. So for that, I know I'm already up on my position. So hope you guys love this long video today, 1 hour and 51 minutes. And I will like to keep on making videos like this for you guys. And I hope you guys enjoy this live stream that I did today, and see you guys in the next one. Shoosh.